Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video.
Hello friends and welcome back, and today we're going to be learning to draw Ducky from Toy Story 4. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do for our Ducky is we're going to make a nice big oval shape, just like this. Very simple, just a nice oval. Now I'm going to do the little fluffies on the top of his head, and you don't have to do yours exactly like mine. I'm just going up and down and up and down and up and then curving down, just like this. Just make some random fuzzies on the top of his head. And then his body's this nice long U shape right underneath his head. And then I'm going to go towards the top of his head. I'm going to curve 1, 2, 3 for his wing. Go to the other side and curve out and then out again. And then again to make 3. Those are his little wings. Now we're going to go down to his feet. I'm going to do 2 lines right next to each other. We'll go to the other side, do another set of 2 lines, and these are his legs. And then I'm going to do kind of a sideways C shape right off of that inner line there. I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing. So just like if a C was laying on its back. Then I'm going to go to the other line on the outside, and I'm just going to curve it out and around. And then I'm just going to stop it when I meet that line there. And there it is. So now I'm going to go up and do Ducky's eyes. So I'm going to make a circle, but in the top corner here, I'm going to leave a gap so I can put 3 little triangles for Ducky's eyelashes. And then I'm going to do a big circle towards the top, and then a smaller circle just diagonal to that one. And there is my first eye. And I'm going to go to the other side, do the same thing. So I'm going to do a circle, but I'm going to leave the top outward part of the circle a gap, and I'm going to put 3 triangles for those eyelashes. I'm going to do a big circle at the top, and then a smaller circle diagonal to that one. And we're going to keep the highlights in the same spot. Even though we're going to the other eye, we're not going to put it like so. We have the circle toward the right. We're not going to change it to the left, because if we do that, then our Ducky is going to look a little cross-eyed. So now that you have your circles in, you want to go ahead and you're going to fill in everything around those circles in black to give Ducky that nice highlighted black eye look. Okay, and now that we have our Ducky eyes all filled in, we're going to go ahead and do Ducky's beak. So we're just going to do a half oval, so make a little hump, and then we're going to bring it around and over, make a nice really skinny pancake, and then we'll do a half circle right underneath that. And there is our Ducky's beak, and there's Ducky. So now all we have to do is color, and it's really simple. We're just gonna make him a nice happy yellow color, and then all we have to do for his legs is make a nice orange color, and then the same orange on his beak. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more fun videos just like this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know, with you guys supporting us and following us, it allows us to continue to do what we do, and that's make awesome art videos for you. And if you want to show off any of your own artistic handiwork of Ducky or any of our other fun characters on our channel, head on over to any of our social media platforms. Those links will be in the description below, and you can post and show off your fantastic artwork. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and we'll see you next time.